A home's door is more than just an entryway. It's a statement of style, a shield against the elements, and a crucial factor in home security. If you're considering upgrading your Little Rock home, installing a new door can make a significant difference. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, a new door offers a range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Here's why investing in a new door for your Little Rock home is a smart decision. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A new door can instantly refresh your home's appearance and create a welcoming impression. Why it matters. Modern door designs come in various styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to customize a look that complements your home's architecture. A bold, stylish door can make your home stand out in the neighborhood, adding charm and personality. For homeowners planning to sell, a new door can increase your home's market appeal and attract potential buyers. Upgrading your door is an easy and impactful way to enhance your home's exterior. Improved energy efficiency. Little Rock experiences a range of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to chilly winters. A new door with energy-efficient features can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient features. Insulated cores. Minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Weatherproof seals. Prevent drafts and air leaks, improving overall energy efficiency. Low E glass panels. Reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, an energy-efficient door can lower utility bills and create a more sustainable home. Increased security. A secure door is essential for protecting your home and loved ones. Many modern doors are designed with advanced security features to provide peace of mind. Security benefits. Reinforced materials. Steel and fiberglass doors are exceptionally strong and resistant to forced entry. Multi-point locking systems. Distribute the locking mechanism across the door frame for added security. Impact-resistant glass. Provides protection against break-ins and harsh weather. Installing a sturdy, well-constructed door can deter potential intruders and enhance your home's overall safety. Noise reduction. A new door can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment by reducing outside noise, a valuable feature in busy Little Rock neighborhoods. Noise-reducing features. Insulated doors block sound waves, minimizing noise from traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activities. Solid core doors provide better soundproofing compared to hollow core alternatives. This added layer of tranquility improves the quality of life inside your home. Durability and low maintenance. Modern doors are built to withstand wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Durability features. Weather-resistant materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and steel doors resist warping, rotting, and rusting, even in Little Rock's varied climate. Scratch-resistant finishes. Maintain their appearance over time, reducing the need for repainting or repairs. Moisture-resistant seals. Protect against water damage, ensuring the door remains functional and attractive. With proper care, a new door can provide years of reliable service. Added natural light doors with glass panels or side lights can brighten your entryway and enhance your home's ambiance. Benefits of natural light: creates a welcoming and open feel in your home's interior. Reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy. Highlights interior design features and enhances your home's overall appeal. Modern glass options, such as frosted or decorative designs, provide privacy while allowing light to flow into your space. Higher property value. Installing a new door is a cost-effective way to increase the value of your Little Rock home. It's a feature that appeals to buyers and can offer a strong return on investment. Why it adds value. Energy-efficient doors attract eco-conscious buyers looking to save on utility costs. Enhanced curb appeal makes a strong first impression during property showings. Durable, low-maintenance doors assure buyers of long-term value and reduced upkeep costs. Whether you plan to sell or stay in your home, a new door is a worthwhile investment. Customization option. A new door allows you to express your personal style and create a unique entryway that reflects your taste. Customization options. Choose from materials like wood, fiberglass, steel, or vinyl to match your home's aesthetic. Select colors, finishes, and hardware to personalize your door. Add decorative elements, such as glass inserts, side lights, or transoms, for a distinctive touch. This flexibility ensures your new door complements your home's design while standing out as a beautiful focal point. Final thoughts. A new door is more than just an upgrade. It's an investment in your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. For Little Rock homeowners, installing a modern, high-quality door can make a lasting difference in both function and style. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal, reduce energy costs, or enhance security, a new door is a smart choice. Work with a trusted door professional to explore your options and find the perfect door for your Little Rock home. With the right door, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable, and valuable home for years to come.